everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages from Notion using Pabbly Chatflow automatically. So here I am managing a real estate agency and I am using Notion database to manage all the details of my leads. So my objective is to send WhatsApp messages to connect with these leads instantly as soon as they are added in my Notion database. For sending the WhatsApp messages, here I am going to use Pabbly Chatflow, and my objective is that as soon as the data of a lead is added in my Notion database, instantly in the personalized format, a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To automate this entire process, we will have to set up the connection between Notion and Pabbly Chatflow, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages in personalized format to all our leads whenever the data of that lead will be added in Notion database. So here I'm managing a real estate agency and I'm managing all my leads with the help of Notion database. So I have the details such as the name, email, phone number and the city of the leads. My objective is that every time a new lead will be added in my Notion database, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that same lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I have created a separate template in order to send personalized WhatsApp messages to all my real estate agency leads. And with the help of that template, now I'm going to send personalized messages instantly without any manual efforts, simply with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But I want to automate the entire process in such a way that every time a new leads detail will be added in Notion database, without any manual efforts, instantly in the personalized format with the name of the lead, the message should be sent with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To do that, we will have to build a connection between Notion database and Pabbly Chatflow, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills with the help of this amazing automation software, Pabbly Connect. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect/INR in our browser. After coming over here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Over here from all app section, you can also access Pabbly Chatflow directly by clicking on access now. Because I am already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account, I am going to currently click on access now on Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, you can see that it has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message from Notion using Pabbly Chatflow automatically. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. After giving the name to my workflow, then I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here which I have created for different kind of workflows. The automation which I'm going to create recently, it's for WhatsApp marketing. So WhatsApp marketing automations will be my folder over here. Then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see a new screen is open in front of us which contains trigger and actions. Basically, this is a blank workflow which we have to fill up in order to complete our automation successfully. Here we have trigger and actions. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that every time a new lead is going to be added in Notion database, automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, I'm going to take Notion in my trigger step and Pabbly Chatflow in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the data is added in Notion database of a lead, then only a WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and let us select our trigger application as Notion. Let's select that quickly. So now let's suppose I'm using Notion database in order to manage all my leads. Let's imagine that at the backend, I have created a lead gen form and I have attached it on my website. Okay. So when the form will be submitted, let's suppose this Notion database is connected to that form. So the data is recorded over here in Notion database. Let's imagine this. Okay. So as soon as a new lead is going to submit that form, that backend form, the details of that lead are going to be recorded in my Notion database. Then instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent. So over here, we have to select the trigger event now. On the happening of which event in Notion you want to capture the response. So I want that when a new database item will be added, that means when a new item will be added in my database, then the response should be captured. Okay, so now I'm going to click on connect. For building the connection, you can see I am already logged into my Notion account and this is my database which is already open. And now we have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, you can just go with that. I'm going to show you to build a new connection. For that, we will click on this add new connection and we'll click on connect with Notion. As we have done that, now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Notion account. And because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, so now we can access it. So we can provide the access fearlessly. Before that, we have to select the pages. You want to provide access to Pabbly Connect for which of the pages? I'm going to provide the access to all the pages currently and I'm going to click on allow access. And you can see with this, our authorization has become successful and the connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect is built. So let's move forward. Here we have to select the database ID. So the name of my database is New Leads Prime Properties. Prime Properties is the name of my real estate agency. So it is already selected. You can select the same from the drop down like this. And then you will click on Save and Send Test Request button. But before clicking on this button, I have to tell you something important, that we can see 1 hour is given in front of Notion. This means that Notion is based on 1 hour of polling time. What is polling time? Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take every time for capturing the new response. Because we have 1 hour of polling time in Notion, this means that every time a new row will be added, a new data will be added in my Notion database. After 1 hour, the response of that new data is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so currently when we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request button, we are going to receive the response of the last data or the latest data which was added in Notion database. I only have one single data over here for a single lead. The name of the lead is Smart. We have the last name as lead. We have this email, this phone number and the city as Bhopal. When we will currently click on Save and Send Test Request button, you will see that we are going to receive the response of that last data only. So when I'm going to scroll down, the response is captured. So when I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button now, here we have received the response of this data, okay, Smart lead. So let's scroll down and read what we have received in the response. First of all, you can see we have the phone number of the lead. We have their name, their last name, their first name, Smart lead. Okay, when we'll scroll down here, we have the email address and also we have received the city. And all these details are exactly the same as we have in Notion. This means our connection between Notion and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now every time a new row will be added along with the new data of Notion, along with the new data of a new lead in this particular spreadsheet. Along with the new data of a new lead in this particular database, after 1 hour, automatically the response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. Once we have received the response, our objective is to send an instant WhatsApp message to connect with the lead. For sending the WhatsApp message, because we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow, so let's go towards our action step and let us select Pabbly Chatflow as our action application. Okay, I have done that now. So the action event will be send curl request. I have selected that to send the WhatsApp messages. And now we have to build the connection. Before building the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Chatflow account. And first of all, you need to set up your account. How you're going to do that? For that, you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number and you have to enter access token, WhatsApp business account ID and phone number ID. To get these details, you just have to go and create your WhatsApp Cloud API account first of all. And when you will do that, you will receive these details. And also, if you want to learn how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API account and to generate the permanent access token, for that we have already created a tutorial video and also it is attached in the I button. So you can go and watch it from there step by step. Enter these details, your connection will be built with Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, once you will enter these details, your account of Pabbly Chatflow will be set up successfully. And then if you want to learn full setup of Pabbly Chatflow, for that we have already created the video. It is over here. You can see the full video is here. You can just go and watch it from here. And if you want, this video is also uploaded on our channel. Okay. Now I have already created my account and also my WhatsApp number is added. So I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Connect now, and we'll click on this button. To build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, here you can see we have two options again: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just quickly go with that. I'm going to directly show you to build a new connection. So let's click on this add new connection button, and we have to enter the token. To get the token, you just have to click on this hyperlink because we have already logged into a Pabbly Chatflow account. It will directly take us towards API key page. And you can see we are on APIs and webhooks of Pabbly Chatflow. So we have the API, let's copy it. We will move back and we will quickly paste it over here. Done. Now let's click on save. And the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So now it is asking us for the body. As I told you, to send the WhatsApp messages, we have to create a template. Then we have to link the template with a broadcast in Pabbly Chatflow. So I've already done that. I'm going to take you back towards my Pabbly Chatflow account, and I'm going to take you towards the template section. So let's go towards template list from the left side. After coming on the template section, these are the list of templates I have. Among these, you can see that this is the real estate leads template, which I have created for sending messages to my real estate leads, and it is already approved. Welcome to Prime Properties. Hello, thank you for reaching out to Prime Properties. We have received your inquiry through our website and are excited to assist you in finding your dream property. Our team will review your requirements and get back to you shortly. In the meantime, feel free to reply to this message with any specific questions or preferences you may have. Because we have the option of inbox management with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so we can also receive the messages from our leads. Looking forward to connecting with you. Best regards, Prime Properties. Here you can see after hello, I have a bracket and 1. That is the variable which I have used in the template. I have used variable in order to send personalized messages to all my leads instantly, automatically, without any manual efforts, with their name. Okay, so because I have used variable in the place of name, this means that automatically, according to every new response, the name is going to replace in the template. And in this way, we will be sending the same message template to all our clients, to all our leads with their own name. Now, here my template is completed and also it is approved. But I'm going to show you that how you can create your own template. For that, you can see the blue button, add new template. You have to click on it. And then you have to select the category of your template. Let's say the category of your template is marketing. Then you can give the name to your template in the lowercase without any spaces with the help of underscore. So here I'm going to give, let's say, new leads. This is the name, let's say. Then you will have to select the language by using which you want to send the message. So let's say the language is English. Then you have to select the type of the template, whether you want to send a text message, an image message, video message, or the document. You can select according to that. And then you have to enter the header of the template. So let's say here is the header. Welcome. This will be the heading of the message. You can give the content, then what you want to send actual message over here. So let's say here I have hello, and in the place of name, I'm going to use a variable. So now I'm going to provide the sample value which I want to be there in the variable. So the name of the lead will be here. Okay, in the similar manner, you can use as many variables as you want for different details which you want to replace every time with every new response, and you can provide the sample values for each of them. After doing that, if you want, you can also attach a footer line, and also you can use interactive actions. Then after completing the template, you will simply click on submit to submit the template, and as the template will be submitted, it will be sent for approval towards Meta. Once it will be approved, then you have to link it with the broadcast. I'm going to now show you that how you have to create the broadcast and how you have to link your template. You can see that this is my template which I've already created, as I've told you, real estate leads, and it is also approved. Now from the left side, we'll go towards broadcast, and you will add a new broadcast over here. We have to first of all select the type of the broadcast. So let's say the type is, so here we have to select API campaign as the broadcast type. Then we have to provide a name to the campaign. So here, let's say the name of my campaign is real estate leads. Okay, just a random name. Now we have to select the template which we want to link with this broadcast. So here the name of my template is real estate leads. I have selected that, and here you can see that my template is linked with the broadcast. Now we'll simply click on add broadcast, and you can see that the broadcast is added and also it is live. When it is live, we'll go towards test broadcast. We will find the URL which we have to copy till last, and we have to paste it over here. Okay. Now we just have to make certain changes. So first of all, you can see that the template name is already selected correctly, real estate leads. We have the campaign name as well. Now we have to change the destination. Destination is the place where we want to send the messages. we want to send the messages to the leads which we have in our Notion database. And we have already received the details of that lead in our earlier response. We want to send the message to that lead on their WhatsApp number. So here in the place of destination, we will simply delete it, the existing data, and we will directly map the phone number which we have received from our earlier response. Let's select that and it is mapped. So as I map this number, now it has become dynamic, and with each and every new response, automatically it will get replaced. So now we also have to enter the country code along with the number. So I have entered it manually. Who is the person to whom you want to send this message? I want to send the message to the lead, and the name of the lead is also received. So here we have the first name with a space, then I will map the last name. And after entering the username, now we have to change the body parameters. That means the values for the variables which we have used. So here I'm going to directly change the first name. I will map the first name over here, and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, you can see that we have received a message. It is saying accepted. That means the message is sent on the number which we have mapped. So now I'm going to quickly take you towards the inbox of Pabbly Chatflow. As I told you, we have separate inbox management feature of Pabbly Chatflow, which helps us to manage all the sent as well as receive messages at the same place. Okay. And yes, here we can see that the message is received. Welcome to Prime Properties. Hello, Smart. We can see that automatically the name of the lead is appeared over here as Smart. But in case when the lead will be receiving this message, they are not going to see this bracket. They will only see their name. Then we have, thank you for reaching out to Prime Properties. We have received your inquiry through our website. This is the entire message. It is in the status sent. This means our connection between Notion and Pabbly Chatflow is built successfully. So now every time a new database item is going to be added in Notion, that means the details of the lead, automatically an instant WhatsApp message will be sent in the personalized format to that lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So in the similar manner, you can very easily create this amazing automation by just setting up the connection between your Notion database and Pabbly Chatflow, and your work will be done. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.